How to get started with your Launchpad in Maybe. Starting in your Maybe account. We are going to select Launchpad. Think of this as your key checklist of steps to complete to get started. The first step is to download the Maybe app so that you can engage with your contacts on the go. Confirm your mobile number and select Continue. You will now receive an email on how to download the Maybe app. Next step is to connect your Google My Business page. This will allow you to monitor and reply to Google My Business messages and reviews. Sign into your Google account. Select which Google My Business page you want to connect. Now let's connect your Facebook and Instagram pages. This will allow you to connect directly with leads and customers via Messenger in conversations, and sync your Facebook leads to your contacts in your CRM within Maybe. Log in to your personal Facebook profile. Select which Facebook business page you would like to connect. If you manage multiple pages, you will see them all listed here. Make sure you connect the right one. Next is to create your chat widget so that you can collect leads from your website. Enter your website URL and then you can start to build your chat widget. If you use Stripe, you can connect your Stripe account to start accepting payments. Then add your team members. Your Maybe account has unlimited seats, so it allows you to invite as many of your team as you require. Now you are on your way to getting started with Maybe. We highly recommend getting your social planner in marketing completed next.